This is a big reason I tell people, if you ever get in a wreck, get in the car from the body shop, do not sign the check until you road test that car. Tell them I'm taking it for road test. I want to see what it's like. Do not give them the money, because once they get that money, too bad, they're not going to care, and you're SOL. You get in a situation like he does, it shakes right after you get the car back and it didn't shake before, take it back. Especially something like a timing belt. If it's not right off maybe one tooth or not tensioned correctly, it's going to make the engine idle poorly, which is exactly what this thing is doing. And you saw with my scan tool, the timing was bouncing all over the place, showing it wasn't done right.